Control. Correcting maneuvers failed. If I can get her a little faster, I can pull out of this.
Abort mission, repeat. Abort mission. Eject, Rock, eject.
Negative, Control. Chase Chambers does not crash. American for failure. I'm living off of whiskey and hot dog mix for the last 2 months. I've watched Top Gun 27 times. I'm on the highway to the danger zone right now. I sure could use the Colonel to help me out. Colonel?
By the way, it's Senator now. Listen, we have a problem, and we need the best. We need the old Rocks.
Sorry, Colonel. Old Rocks is dead. Just Chase Chambers now. Civilian.
Not anymore, Rocks. The government just reactivated you.
My wings have been clipped, Senator. I just don't fly anymore.
Who said anything about flying? Welcome to Project Jet Truck. Chase, you know Helen Haynes?
Hellswick, yeah, I know Miss Helen Haynes. I see you're still a gopher. I mean a court reporter.
And I can see you still show up to work drunk.
Enough. Just sign your reinstatement papers and we can get you to the mission briefing.
Remind you that time in the cockpit?
Yeah, 2 minutes later you prematurely ejected.
Guess I'll just take my radness elsewhere, sweetheart.
You, go to McRed and he'll bring you up to speed.
Faster the better.
JET 9000's instruction manual.
Oh, I can go as fast as I can drive.
You know that's one problem.
Chase Chambers, say hello to your new partner.
Chase Chambers don't need a partner.
You're right. Crash Chambers can screw up all by itself.
Norman Maddox. The guy who's everything Chase Chambers ain't.
You mean fit, clean cut, and sober?
No. I mean a badass partner.
You're a disgrace to that uniform.
You're just jealous I'm making look so good.
I looked over your file. Seems you developed a fear of flying.
Guys, Soviets are the enemy, okay? Now we just received some intel that they have a doomsday device. And we've uploaded the coordinates into Jet Truck's computer.
Well then, let's get the truck out of here, partner. What's that button do?
Don't touch it.
Why not? What's it do?
It's just really, really crazy. 2 at 12 o'clock. No patrols. HQ, this is Jet Truck 2. The warehouse is a dead end, over.
It's been moved. I have it traveling at high speed about 50 miles west of your location.
Looks like we get to use that cool jet of yours.
Jet Truck, go.
There he is.
Dang, man, gotta get closer.
This is no good. I need a bigger gun.
Hang on, Maddox, I got an idea. Give me the 345 PSI and a tangential pivotal angle of 43.4 degrees.
Wait, you're gonna try the sawtooth maneuver?
Hell's McGill. I'll create a sonic boom next to his Jeep. Blow his tires clean out.
No pilot in history has ever pulled that off. Last time you tried it, you crashed a $5 trillion jet.
Well, that was in the air. This is on land. Besides, that was $4 trillion. Do it. Three, two, now.
You did it. You blew out his tires.
That maneuver was theorized by the best damn pilot in the world, besides me.
When I came up with it, I thought it was impossible in today's technology.
Not bad.
Not bad yourself. What is Project Copter Van?